Welcome to Savage Simplicity Shortcuts. Bite-sized episodes packed with smart, actionable strategies to help you simplify your life. Let's get into today's shortcut and make things simpler one step at a time.
In last week's episode, guest Priya Venkatesan joined us to talk about her successful return-to-work journey after a 16-year career break. One key strategy Priya invested her time and effort in was iRelaunch.
That's a nonprofit organization called iRelaunch. It's an organization where they provide resources for not just women, for anyone, irrespective of gender, who have taken a career break and want to return to the full-time work or part-time work, whatever you wish. And they have a job board there. They have resources to how to get back, to use how to build your resume, and they have their own career coach, several resources, and they also hold a conference every 6 months, like a job fair. So you can register for the conference, you can attend a 3-day conference virtually. That's how I came to know about returnships.
According to iRelaunch, participants in iRelaunch affiliated returnship programs have impressive hiring outcomes. Depending on the specific program and year, between 50 to 100% of women completing these programs secure employment offers. And on average, 80% of returnship participants are hired upon completing their programs. iRelaunch has its next conference coming up in October 2025. For more information, check out their podcast, 321 iRelaunch. This has been Bernadette Hill with Savage Simplicity Shortcuts, reminding you that to reclaim your time, you need to be savage.